Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X token removal. Some great information was shared, I believe, yesterday, and that is the token burn for NPXS tokens, and approximately 7.5 billion NPXS tokens and 6.9 billion NPXS tokens have been removed. The article also mentions that adding the token burn from the conversion to the FX token, it exceeds last year's token removal of 10.2 billion. Now, this is pretty amazing news, and I believe that, or pretty amazing information. And if you have tuned into some of my earlier videos, then you may notice that I express one of the limiting factors to my belief that is holding us from seeing that NPXS price action go to where we want it to be versus where it actually is currently. And that is that the max supply of NPXS tokens. And I believe it may affect us in small ways until we begin going live in more markets, vendors, and so on. And for example, a scenario that the XPOS is used almost everywhere, that max supply may not affect us at all. And I believe that its effectiveness it will gradually decrease as we capture more markets. And we also have to keep in mind that this is my opinion, and in some cases, it may not be a limiting factor to my opinion as well. This goes without saying that in a bull run, this max supply won't matter much regardless of how many markets we have actually acquired to that date or through that time that it's continuously going on. But that pretty much does it for this video. Now I will leave a link to the transaction in the descriptions down below, and I'll also leave a link to the article in the descriptions down below in case you want to check that out and look a little bit more into it, and maybe just see the transaction just in case you want to confirm all of this and things like that. So that's something pretty neat that the article also shares with us. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much does it for this videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one.